Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to change the timeout on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's find and select the display and let's click on advanced. As you can see here, we've got the sleep option, so simply tap on it. And here we've got some options to customize. We can choose either from 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 and 30 minutes. As you can see here, we've got 10 minutes applied, and if you want to change it, simply tap on the time you want to use. For example, maybe 5 minutes. And as you can see, it immediately changes, and it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set the timeout in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.